Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to install and configure Django and Django REST framework with Python 3.11 in Windows 11. So let's get started. At first, ensure that you already have installed Python 3.11 or later on your system. I already have installed on my machine. I'm going to verify this using this command. If you don't have installed it on your system, you will find a link in video description how to install Python on Windows 11. Now I am going to install pip python package manager. Copy this command and open command prompt and paste here this command and hit enter. This command will install pip on your system. Let's install virtual environment package using pip package installer. So open command prompt and write this command here: py-m pip install virtualenv and hit enter. This command will install virtualenv package. Okay, virtualenv installed successfully. Now I am going to create a Python virtual environment. I am going to create it on desktop. So navigate to desktop and then write this command here: venv, and then enter the virtual environment name, my case myenv, and then hit enter. Here venv will create a virtual Python installation in the myenv folder. This folder here you will see this file and folders. Okay, now I am going to navigate to this virtual environment by cd. Now I am going to step back. Okay, let's activate newly created virtual environment using this command: dot backslash virtual environment folder name, and then script, and then write activate and then hit enter. And here you will see this name, that means virtual environment is active. Okay, Let's install Django package with pip. Copy this command and paste here. And then hit enter. I am going to install the latest version of Django. It may take a while for installing Django. Okay, now verify the installation. Write this command here. That's it. I have installed Django 4.1.5. You can display the installed version of Django using this way. Open Python shell using this command and then write this code: import Django and then print Django dot get version. That's it. Now exit the shell using this exit function. Let's create a Django project using this command. I'm going to create it on my desktop. Django admin and then write start project and then write the project name, my case my site, and then hit enter. Now navigate to this project root directory by cd. Okay. Now start the Django development server using this command. Now open this URL with a web browser. Copy this URL. That's it. Now I'm going to stop this server by pressing Ctrl and C. Okay, let's install Django REST framework using pip. I'm going to follow its official documentation. Just copy this command and paste here. Now hit enter. This command will install Django REST framework latest version. Okay, now I am going to configure Django REST framework with my Django project. So copy this line and then open Django project with any text editor. My case Visual Studio Code is preferred. Open project folder. Now expand the project folder and then open settings file, scroll down, and here paste this line and also copy this line and then open this file and paste here and save this file. Okay, now start the development server again using this command. Yeah, import include okay. Now access REST framework authentication service using this URL. That's it. Like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.